A group that has realized the many challenges that the young people of this county and the nation at wide face. And we have come up with ways to ensure that the challenges that the young people face are sorted. And so we realize that young people consist of the 75% of the population. And so with this group, we have come together, and with the numbers that we have come to fight for our rights and our spaces in the policy making spaces and in the national government.
Still appealing to our leaders to just also calm down and listen to what young people are saying, because they are silent voices. This year we are saying we have to belong to those tables. You have to sit on those decision-making tables, because no one is going to make decisions for us.
This movement is brought together by a desire to ensure that youth representation and the youth voice is heard in every sector across this county. We believe that whatever we do as the youth, without our involvement, is not possible.
Come out with the solutions, and as young people of this great county, we know the ways that we want to solve them. We know that moving forward in the 2027 general elections, which is our main goal, we want to ensure that a lot of young people are in leadership positions, and young people who are in business are supported and they are thriving in those sectors. Young people who are in mental health advocacy are supported and thriving. Young people who are in climate change advocacy are supported and thriving in that sector.
I believe that whatever we do as the youth, without our involvement, is not possible. We want to bring a movement that each and every young person within this county will be able to sit at the decision-making table as we formulate policies and we look for solutions that can help the youth get out of where they are.
Skills, they have talents, but there's nobody who holds their hand. A number of times, most politicians have used our youths, given them promises that have not been fulfilled.